Hi, and welcome back to Lavender Coco Kitchen. Well, I'm back with Lakshmi again.
Hello.
Hi, Lakshmi. Welcome. And today we're going to make one of your favourite cafe drinks. So, what's one of your favourite cafe drinks?
Well, I really like dining at cafes a lot,
Yeah.
as you know, especially do work or catch up with friends.
Yeah, it's great.
I like a lot of different cafe drinks, but my number one when I'm on the go, whatever, is always a chai latte.
Yeah, I like that too. But as you know, I always like a mocha.
Yeah.
And mocha is made up of chocolate and coffee. And I know you don't drink a lot of coffee, but I thought we could make dirty chai because that's chai, but it has a little bit of coffee in it.
Interesting.
So it's actually the perfect combination of chai and coffee.
Sounds nice.
And especially if you're like me and you never know what to choose.
Yeah.
And you want to choose both.
Yeah.
Well, this is the solution.
Yeah, you take forever to
Yeah, I
finish.
know. Well, you know, she
Yeah.
goes out with me. So, okay, we'll make a dirty chai latte.
Sounds fabulous.
And I'll show you, we can do it either cold, like an ice one, or we can make a hot one.
Well, we need that for a
Yeah.
day today, so that would
Yeah.
be great.
We're going to get our chai spices.
Oh, delicious.
So we've got cinnamon, cloves, and cardamom.
Oh, yum.
So what? Just take out like a couple of cardamom pods.
These are good for cooking.
Yeah, we use them a lot in our cooking, don't we?
Yes.
Especially for Indian cooking. Yeah, 2 or 3, whatever you
Okay.
want. Just put them in the bowl, like say 5 cloves.
5 cloves.
And cloves are actually good for your teeth and your gums. Well, I know you've got braces.
I know.
Yeah. And cloves are actually really good for oral health.
Yeah.
So they're a great spice to have on hand. Now we have cinnamon, which is my favourite because it's
Yes.
known to lower blood sugar, which is good for people with diabetes.
So how much?
Just 1 stick is enough. Well, that's a fat one.
Oh.
Maybe a thinner one. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, that'll be good. Now we have another of my favourites, ginger. Now, ginger is really good to fight off viruses and keep your immune system healthy.
I drink some of this every day.
Yeah, actually, if you have a little bit of fresh ginger every day, it'll help your immune system a lot. Oh. Right. Now, we want our coffee. So you can just use instant espresso, probably
Very
any
nice.
type that you like. So you can put 1 or 2 tablespoons. It's up to how much coffee you like, whether you like a really strong coffee taste or not so strong. So what would you like to put?
I like the creamy coffee taste.
So would you like 1?
So medium.
Or 1.5?
1.5 maybe.
Okay, we'll put 1.5. Some sweetness. We don't want to overdo it, but we need a bit of sweetness. So we could use coconut sugar or
Yes.
maple syrup. So we
That
might
sounds
use
nice.
that one.
Just as a caramel.
Yeah, it gives a good flavour, doesn't it? So you can put like 2 teaspoons up to a tablespoon. It's kind of up to personal taste.
Get a whole tablespoon.
You probably put more than what I would put. I would put like teaspoons.
I usually drink black tea, but when I have coffee, it has to be
Yeah, you like it
full
sweeter.
flavour.
Yeah. So that's personal taste. Up to you, really. So, and now we need to add the tea, of course. So I've got here black tea or chai tea. You can use both, or you can just use black or just use Thai. So we'll just take off these bits and then just put the bags into there. You could use loose leaf tea. If you don't have a tea bag, you just have tea leaves. You could use a couple of tablespoons of those as well. So now we're going to add boiling water. We want 2 cups of boiling water. So
Plastic.
that's 1. Yeah, you got to do it fast. 1 more. There we go. That'll do. Alright.
Delicious.
Now, just give it a stir to mix it all together. It smells nice already, doesn't it? Smell the coffee. So now we've got to leave this just to steep, which means it'll give time for the flavours to come out and develop. So you can just leave this like a few hours or even overnight. And actually after a few hours you can like take out the bags and the whole spices, but you can keep the rest of that in the fridge. And you can just keep it there, like it'll last there for a long time. Then whenever you want to make this dirty chai, you just get some of this out. So I'm going to show you how to mix it next.
Lots of coffee and tea.
When you want to make your chai, just get almond milk. Barista brand is best.
Yes, it is.
Because it's obviously a lot creamier. You can use normal almond milk, but it won't be as creamy. So this is good. So just give it a good shake. Oh, first we've got to use this first. So I've got some, this has been in the fridge for a couple of days. So that's our base.
Is this one we prepared earlier?
Yeah, we did. So now you just put whatever quantity you want. So I've got a glass with ice. Just put some into there. Now we'll put some in the mug as well. And then you just add that to your glass.
Yeah.
So you can fill that up and you'll see how it all mixes together and looks nice. And then add a bit to there. And then we're going to add boiling water to make this hot. So that's probably enough milk. And then give it a stir. And then make a hot dirty chai. So yeah, stir that. An extra treat, more like what you would get at a cafe. You can put some of your favourite vegan ice cream on there, and you can put like whipped coconut cream, which you just whip, and you can add like spices like cardamom and cinnamon to it, so it echoes the spices in the drink. Now we'll put the coconut cream on.
Amazing!
Dirty chai latte! Hot and cold.
Very dirty.
It does, doesn't it? Yeah. Okay, so now it's time to taste.
So you've got the cold one?
Yeah.
And I have
Well, which would you like to taste, or both?
either.
We'll taste that one first.
That's delicious.
Is it good?
Yeah, that's very nice.
You get the flavour of the spices?
Yeah. I feel like I don't need to go to a coffee shop today.
Well, that's good. We can have coffee at home.
Yeah.
Do you want to try the cold one?
Yes. That's creamy.
Yeah.
Delicious. That's really good.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Well, we really don't need to go out today.
Yeah. Coffee shop right at home.
Well, there you go. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.